Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing great. It's a brand new day. I'm very happy to again meet all of you. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty of Allah, I would like to share one English story Silence to Speaking in English. Okay, let's begin. Rahman worked in a company. There was English used every day. He could he could read English but speaking very slowly. When someone asked him, he answered one or two sentences. He wanted speaking clearly and confidently. Then suddenly he felt unhappy about this. He realized he need to improving his speaking English. Then he started every morning the one English story aloud. Then day by day he improved and he practiced every day the sentence again and again and took a note the new words in handbook. Then he went to his working place and he asked people just like this, can you explain this? Is it is it correct? People responded him kindly and helped him. Then day by day he realized he improved his speaking and finally he realized if you want to improving your speaking English, you need to if you need to practice every day use it. Without practice, you cannot able to speak in English or you cannot get any skill. Okay, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.